Hey, what's up? Brent from Brinspeed. Thanks for watching Brinspeed TV. It's 3-Valve Wednesday. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on an 08 ROUSH P-51. It's a rare car. They made, I think, 151 of these. If you haven't subscribed, notify, stay up to date. Doug's with me. First, let's go check it out. All right, here's a little backstory on the P-51. So when these were built, they did come with a built engine. So upgraded crank, rods, pistons. It's a lower compression. So it's not your normal 9.8 you find on a 3-valve. They're around 8.6. That was really popular, basically because the GT500 back then was around that compression. It was lower, and that's why you can run a lot of boost on pump gas on these. They'll come down and take a look. So these came with the TBS 2300 Supercharger. They also came with this cold air induction system. Now this car came in for a Magnum transmission install, but while I was here, he's like, hey, I'd like to get a set of Detroit rocker camshafts. Go ahead and get a tune put on the dyno, see what it makes. Doesn't have headers or anything. Check out this dyno pull. All right, before you check out the numbers, we are located in Indiana. You're looking for an install quote, you can email quote@brinspeed.com. Open the description. I'll put a link to our website if you're looking for parts like this. DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5. Now these cars, stock, typically would make on a good day 450 real horsepower. We're sitting right around 510 real horsepower, peaking at 6,500. Torque comes in awesome, 485, peaking at about 4,700. Smooth graph across the board. Killer setup. So look this, check this out here. You know, why do you like these ROUSH Superchargers? I will say, you may not know this already, they've been discontinued for, I would say, that way I think 10 years at least. Haven't been able to get these blowers. But if you have a Mustang with one of these already on it, we do have upgrade packages and other Superchargers as well. So again, I'm Brent. If you have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. This is car number 106 of 151. Thanks for watching.